Hi everybody. In this video, what we're going to see is we're going to create a new agent in AI calls and then create an inbound campaign. So let's get started. When you log into your dashboard, the first screen that you would see is create a new agent. If you're somewhere else in the dashboard, you can always click on my agents out here and then you would get the option to create a new agent. Okay, so so the first thing is to uh, type in a name for the agent, and then you can select a voice. Now, there are multiple voice options that are available. So you can click on the play button against each voice to listen to how they sound. All right. So I'm going to choose Alexa for this particular demo. Now, uh, we have some predefined templates available out here, like customer support, appointment, small businesses, inbound sales, sales agent, and stuff. Or if you want, you can start from scratch as well. So I'm going to select customer support and click on create. Okay. So it populates the agent prompt by default. Now it's completely customizable. If you want, you can customize the prompt here. We have an article, a help article, which provides detailed sample prompts that you can choose from. So you just have to go to help.synthesys.io and you would be able to find it under AI calls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the existing prompt out there with one of the prompts here. Okay, so just a second. Okay, so let's take this example. So I'll take the entire prompt sample and copy it. So the detailed the prompt is, the easier it will be uh, to train the AI agent, and it would be able to answer the customer's questions effectively. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just delete it and paste that prompt from the sample prompt article that we have. Okay, so now that we have done this, another pro tip is if you have any help articles or FAQs and all that, please export them as PDFs and you can upload the knowledge files out here. So for example, I have some knowledge files already created. So these are some of the samples. It is not related to the prompt, but if I wanted uh, to add a particular help article or KB article or FAQ for that matter, I would just click on upload knowledge files. The Explorer window will open. I can choose the files that I want to upload. All right. So just click on open and the files will be uploaded. Okay, so this is an interesting thing because this actually helps in making the agent answer questions effectively based on the information provided in the knowledge files. Okay, so it sure is worth a try. Okay, now the first thing that after you've added the prompt, detailed it properly, you can set up the agent greeting. Okay, hello, this is Ava. How may I assist you today? Now, if you want the AI calls engine to open the call with variations of this greeting, you can just leave this particular toggle disabled. Okay. However, if I enable this, then this would become a static greeting. So all calls coming to this number will be opened with this greeting. Okay, I hope it's clear till now. Now, moving on, Once the prompt has been added, on the right hand side, we have a few options here. One, we can change the profile picture. You can just click on it and select one of the profile pictures from here. Let's select something else. And yeah, so the profile picture has been changed. Then you have the voice selector available out here. You can even add your own voice. Okay. Uh, I'll cover this in a separate module. Uh, but for now, I'm going to stick with Alexa. Then language, we have quite a few languages available. You can choose from the list out here. I'm going to select English US. Then there are three types of tones available: normal, realistic, and conversational. If you want the conversation to be transactional, okay, so you can just choose normal. Okay, the customer asks a question and the agent kind of responds to it, to the question. And if you want to make it a little more realistic, you can choose the realistic option. Okay, so the agent would greet a little more enthusiastically. There would be some fillers added by the agent. And if you choose conversational, the agent will talk very, very conversationally with the customers, uh, even crack jokes if you've specified that in the prompt and stuff. So it's completely up to you how you want the conversation to sound like. So I'm going to select normal for now. Then max duration of the call. We have three options: 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I would recommend that you always select 15 minutes so that the call does not get cut off in case it goes beyond the 5 minute mark. Okay, so it's always better to select 15 minutes out here. Then we have appointment scheduler. So this also will be covered in a different module. Then we have transfer call. So you can say, for example, if the agent does not have enough information for a particular question, uh, you can instruct it to transfer the call to a live human. Okay, so here you would have to enter that call, the number that you want the agent to transfer the call to. Okay, and then block interruptions is something where the agent will actually wait for the customer to finish speaking and then uh, say whatever it needs to. Okay, it will not speak over the customer. I think this is a good option to have. Uh, by default, I prefer to select this so that there's no the agent doesn't talk over the customer. Now that you have set all this up, you just have to click on Save Agent. Okay, updated successfully. Now let's go to phone numbers. Okay, that's the next step. Now, with each AI call account, you get one phone number. Okay, so what I would do is I would click on Buy Phone Number. Okay, you're not actually buying it, you're just adding a phone number to your account. And then I'm going to add one of the area codes. For now, it supports only US, Canada, and UK area codes. So once I've entered the area code, I'll click on Buy Number. Okay, the phone number has been added successfully out here. If you want more numbers to be added, you can always import them from your Twilio account. Okay, so just click on import phone number, add in your Twilio phone number, your Twilio SID, and the authentication token, and then click on import. These two things will be available inside your Twilio account. Okay, so you can always import your Twilio number into AI calls as well. Now, moving forward, the next step is to create an inbound campaign. So how do we go about doing that? We have the My Campaigns list out here. So what we would do is we'll click on it. So any campaign that you have already created would be visible out here. Okay. In order to create one campaign, we'll have to click on Start Campaign at the top. So, okay. Now, since this is an inbound campaign, I'll have to select inbound calling here, not outbound. Then I'll select the number. I have just one number in my account, so it's easy. Then I'll have to select the agent. So I have just one agent in my account. If I had multiple agents, it would have shown up here and you could choose the desired agent from the list. Okay, so now if I click on add number, it'll take me back to the phone number field. If I click on add agent, it'll take me back to my agents section. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know. And then I click on launch. Okay, so earlier we didn't have anything in my campaigns, but now that I have created an inbound campaign, so any calls coming into this number will be answered by the AI agent, and the AI agent will answer the questions based on the prompt that we entered out here. So once the agent is ready, I would recommend that you use the agent preview to check if the agent is responding to questions correctly or not. Okay, so let's see how that works.
Hello, this is Ava. How may I assist you today?
Hi Ava, I'm looking for one of the courses that your institute offers.
I'd be happy to help with your course inquiry. Could you tell me which program or course you're interested in?
I'm interested in one of the MBA courses you offer.
We have several MBA courses available. Can you please specify which one you're looking for, such as an executive MBA or a specialization like finance or marketing?
I'm looking for an HR MBA course.
Our Human Resources MBA course is a popular program. Let me check the availability and prerequisites for you. Can you please tell me which semester you're planning to enroll in?
The first one?
You're referring to the spring semester. Let me
Correct.
check the course catalog for you. For our HR MBA course, the spring semester starts on January 1st, and the deadline to apply is December 15th. Would you like me to walk you through the application process?
Thank you. Okay, so this is how the agent would sound on a call as well. So once you have previewed the agent, then y- you would know that everything is set up correctly and the agent is responding to questions correctly. You can do multiple agent previews, ask them separate questions to see how they are responding, and if needed, if you see that, you know, for this particular question the agent is not giving the correct answer, you can easily go here and make changes to the prompt, or maybe check the knowledge file that you've uploaded if it has the requisite information about that particular question, and update the information accordingly. All right. And one very important thing, any changes that you make to the agent, you should always save the agent, otherwise the changes will not take effect. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, please do let us know. You can reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you so much for watching.